Hi guys, so I'm going to let you into a little secret on one of my beauty health tools which I've recently been using. A lot of you have been asking me how I keep my teeth so white, are they filtered, etc., and the answer is no. I've been using Ordo Sonic plus toothbrush, which has kind of gifted me, and oh my god, the difference in my teeth since using this, even after the first brush. So first of all, the plus points for me. Affordability. This is retailing at $49.99, and compared to other Sonic toothbrushes, it's almost half the price. It's currently stocked in Boots, Tesco and Sainsbury's at the minute. It gives my mouth a superior but yet gentle clean, and it's got 4 different settings. You've got clean, white, massage and sensitive. And my favourite is the massage and then the whitener. Unlike the basic electric toothbrushes, it lasts 3+ weeks after just one simple USB charge. And yes, it does come with a USB charger as well as like a little travel cap, which is quite helpful. There is also a timer, so no underbrushing and no overbrushing. And last but not least, it's backed by dentists, which was a big plus for me. The overall look and feel of my mouth is amazing. It feels like I've just stepped out of the dentist. So thank you, Ordo, for bringing back my confidence in smiling again. I highly recommend, guys, that the Ordo Sonic Plus toothbrush is at the top of your health and beauty list this year. And remember, a healthy and bright smile is better than any makeup, and a smiling face is a beautiful face. Mwah!